Hi, Tony from Songwriters Chop Shop here. Does your song need a pre-chorus? A pre-chorus is like a mini bridge between the verse and the chorus. They separate and connect. If your verse and chorus are too similar, then a pre-chorus can help stop things getting boring. Just like E.T. by Katy Perry. If they're too different, a pre-chorus can give them a way to connect. Just like Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. A pre-chorus can add depth to the journey you take your listeners on. It can help your song make more sense by clarifying ideas or emotions. Imagine Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison didn't have a pre-chorus. We wouldn't know who he was singing about. If your chorus is lacking impact, then a pre-chorus can be used to build tension. When that tension gets released in the chorus, it can have quite a kick. Just like Firework by Katy Perry. A pre-chorus is like a mini bridge. Some songs even use it again as the actual bridge. Just like I Can't Feel My Face by The Weeknd. Catch you next time.